Hey guys, it's Ed again. Well, I finally got around to getting back down cellar here and getting to work on that boat motor. It's been crazy the last few days, so let's get at it, okay? Okay guys, as you guys can see, I have removed one of the water tubes. Hopefully that'll make life easier. I am going to clean this up again to create a better mating seal there. I'm not sure what I'm going to use to clean some of that goop up and get this other water tube out. So let's get at it. Okay, these things are kind of glued in here with something, pretty stiff stuff. So they come out with a little bit of pressure, but I don't think there's really a left or a right, but we'll try to figure that out. These we can put some more goop on when we put them back in. We should probably try to grease this unit up and get that, so we should be able to get it back in here somewhere. I see the water tubes. So okay guys, I don't know if you guys can see that crap on this tube, but you can see the sealer they used is all the way down to the tip, so where they squoze it in. So I'm going to try to see if I can clean this up with anything without damaging the copper too much. Got a piece of old sandpaper here. Give that a quick try. I was going to use a wire wheel, but okay guys, I've got that 3M 847 here. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of that on these upper tubes. So on this end of it, where they go in, and kind of almost looks like the stuff they used. Goop that around a little bit. Kind of try to spread that out and insert up inside here. I might have to get a light. Where'd my light go? Well, that one works good. Where did it go? Yeah, guess we'll do it in the dark. Give it a second for my eyes to adjust. I'm not sure what ways they're supposed to go. If they swing around or if they go backwards. I guess I'll put them in the middle. See what that does. So we'll get a little more goopy goop on this one. It's stringy stuff. It's like a big booger. It's like a big booger. We'll zoom you guys back out again. So I would think they would go this way. Sorry you guys can't see up in this hole, but to be honest with you, neither can I. So I don't know how far they go in, but I pushed them until they kind of seated up in there. I got them I got the angles kind of pointed towards themselves, so hopefully that's right. So now I think I'm going to add some goop on here. Maybe I should put them on the shaft. I don't know. Good, bad. I probably should clean this off before going too crazy. Before I get too crazy, let's get see if I got any lacquer thinner down here. I got a little carb cleaner. Put it on the rag. See if that softens this stuff up a little bit. Yep, that takes it off. This was the, I used the Permatex on this. But I think since I got the $36 stuff, I just may use that too. I don't know. Okay, beautiful. Love it. Let's put some more goopity goop on this. We'll run a bead of this around. Oh yeah, I got to take that apart. I should have done that first, shouldn't I? Take them O-rings off. Seemed to be the consensus of all you guys that my O-ring idea was a bad idea. I thought it was a good idea at the time because there was an O-ring on the shift pivot and to seal it up. And I was like, well, geez, if an O-ring is good there, and I said I got a whole set of O-rings, you know, Harbor Freight jobbies, so that'd be even better, right? But you guys are correct that probably not the greatest idea to try to. I might even put a little goop on these pipes too. Just to ensure. Okay, so let's get you over here. Can you see anything? Can you kind of see what I'm doing? Probably. Maybe not. Maybe. Okay, we're going in. Let's make sure we get it the right way. Props going this way. Up the hole. I think that's... yeah, I'm mated. The only thing is, I don't have any bolts. I expected more of a problem. And they went right in the holes. Nice. So, can you guys hold this? No? Okay. Hey, you know what I got? I got that long bolt right there. Okay. If I get in front of you, it's not my fault. Okay, that's enough to kind of hold it there so it doesn't fall out. Cool beans, guys. Well, that's a hell of a lot easier. Here's the bolts, I think. So, which way do these go? Up, I think. I'm not going to put anything, I don't think, on the threads. Maybe I should. I don't know. Because, I don't know. But I got a good seal in here. That stuff is really doing a nice job, that 3M. stuff. See how many screws I got left in the can after I get done. Not bad, actually. I think all I got in there is a bolt from the okay. Anyway, guys, my phone's ringing. Okay, guys, now you know why I never get anything done. Damn phone is going off. So, anyway, I guess it's a good thing. It's my father, still alive and kicking, fighting with his old truck. I built him a 1977 Ford F100, the only brand new truck he ever owned. And I learned how to drive on that truck. And it was a baby blue, sky blue, whatever color you guys want to call it. But it, different size. I found him one not too far from here for a decent price. I think I gave him $700 for it. So I bought it, and then I ended up restoring it pretty much and giving it to him for his 70th birthday. And he's been driving it on and off, and had a problem with the solenoid today. It jammed up on him, and he couldn't it was discharging the battery, I guess, which is kind of weird. You think it would be the ignition switch, but I guess that's what the issue was. So anyway, in between doing that, I didn't tighten this up real tight. Remind me to do that. I'm going to bring you guys over and show you that I was able to finagle that shaft in there a lot easier than I thought. So, okay guys, you guys can see those brass, and you might be able to see the shift shaft. Try to move it a little bit maybe. There's a bolt that goes in there. I got to try to get that bolt in there, which is going to be real fun. But I was able to move the shift shaft up far enough that I was able to not have to line it up as I come in. I can move it here and just pull that up with I actually used a little cheapo little hook screwdriver and just hooked it and pulled it up, and then that got it lined up and dropped it right in the hole. So let's get that bolt in there without dropping it down into the bottom. You know I'm going to do that. But I'll put you on. You guys can watch me, because if I start swearing, and you guys always pick on me because I don't swear, but if you know what happens if you start hearing me swearing, okay? So I was going to put you behind me. What do you think? Well, maybe I'll just move the stand over. I don't know. Where do you guys want to go? You want to go someplace where I won't hit you with a tool? Eh, that's probably a better choice over here. Okay. I guess I'm going to stand in front of you. So there you go. You want me to zoom you out? Maybe you guys can see. Well, you can't see in the hole, but neither can I. So here's I got one little washer in there, a lock washer. I know where that washer goes. And a cotter pin. I have no idea where that little lock washer goes. But how am I going to do this? What do you think about a magnet? Do I have a magnet? I had one here. I used it to pull all those pieces out of that case. Okay. I got my telescopic magnet here. Oh, that feels pretty good. And this is brass and aluminum, so we should. The only thing that sucks is it seems to be way low. If I turned it over, I think it'd be way high. I wonder how you'd get to it. Okay, I'll show you what the thing is. I think I got it screwed up already. You see where they are? They're kind of pointed down the other way. If I rolled them over, then no, I can't roll them over. Can I? And even if I flip sides, I don't think it would make a difference. Man, that damn phone is blowing up. Okay, so these got better when I tightened them up a little bit, and they were able to draw themselves up so I could actually get a wrench on them. So I think they're okay in that position. I thought maybe I had to flip them over so they were pointed towards the top, but I think that would have made just as bad. So we're going to go with them that way. So I think that'll work. And the bottom end is on. I just tried the shifter, and if you guys, there's the dry shaft. We'll shift it one way or the other, I don't care. Am I in neutral? Can you guys see anything? I'm trying to hold this camera on it. So there it is going that way. And then I'll shift it this way. There it is going that way. I don't know if that's the same way I was going before or not. Let's see. It's going that way. I'm pulling on it. And now it's going the other way, I think. So, I think we're good. Forward and reverse, and the neutral's in the middle. So, anyway, guys, just zoom me out here a little bit. Just a quick video on getting the bottom end put back together. I even threw the prop on it. So, that's all good. I got to figure this out at some point. I think these clip on to here, and I'm not sure what it does, but probably has something to do with the steering, I think, or something. Maybe they catch on something. Not sure. But anyway, guys, just a quick video since it worked. Sometimes these turn into 3-hour-long videos, but this seemed to work out pretty well. And thanks all you guys for commenting. Oh yeah, I got to do these screws too. So all I'm going to do is, this has been glued on with the seal, and I put that 3M stuff, so I'm not worried about this coming apart. But I'm just going to take out one screw at a time, pry off the O-ring, and I'm going to put some more of that 3M goop on there and draw them up with that. So I think I still need to tighten that one up. And this one, that's the one I was looking for the other plastic O-ring. And then the bottom end will be all back together. And then we'll be ready to fight the power head on. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching, subscribing, and commenting. And we'll talk later. Bye.